Everybody, I'm here in Amsterdam for 24 hours. So, finna get ready to walk around, see what I can get into. But first, I want y'all to check out the room that I'm staying in. Today we have a few things planned. We have a wine tour. I mean, not a wine tour, but a wine tasting. And then I'm going to try to check out some Surinamese food here in Amsterdam. And then I'm going to explain all that a little bit later on. But we're going to walk around for a while because I have a few moments before my wine tasting time. So I'll see you guys once I get there. So I just got finished with the wine tasting, right? And I'm gonna say I was a little disappointed. Not that it was bad. I'm not gonna hold you. It's not bad. But this wine tasting wasn't my first choice. It was my second choice. The first choice I wanted was sold out, so it wasn't like it was something that I wanted to do. So this wine tasting turned out to be more so of a cheese tasting paired with wine. And I'm not a big cheese person, so it is what it is. I didn't record because he told me that I couldn't record, so I did not record while I was there. Other than that, it was fun. The cheese was tasty, but like I said, I'm not a cheese person. If you're a cheese person, this is something that you should do. He did heavy pours on the wine, so you did feel a little buzz to it or whatever, and it was a small group, so if you're into cheese, which I'm not, that would be something to look into. But there's another one that I wanted to do, but it was sold out, so and my first dish is here. That was fast. That was really fast. But other than that, like I said before that the wine tasting was fun. Not gonna hold you, but it wasn't what I expected. I was expecting like more wine, like tasting versus cheese, but it was more so of a cheese tasting than wine tasting. Other than that, I'm gonna get into this dish that I got cassava with codfish, what they call REIKIYA. So I'm gonna show you this. So my food just came out already, which really was real fast. So first dish I got is cassava, fried cassava with codfish. So I'm gonna give y'all a bite. Here you go. Don't take too big of a bite now. Don't do it. See, look, you trying to take a bigger bite. Can't give it to you. But thank you. Enjoy. So it's cassava, not French fries. So I'm gonna try to think it is French fries. It's cassava, which is good. And I got chicken roti as well. Suriname was a Dutch colony until 1975, so the Surinamese community is very visible here in Amsterdam with several restaurants around the city. I do want to thank you all for tuning into this short video. And as I watch this sunset in Amsterdam, always remember to hug on the ones that you love, tell the ones that you love them. I'm out.
I don't know.